The DEWALT DXVPA101 wet-dry pump is a versatile accessory designed to enhance the functionality of wet and dry vacuum cleaners, making it suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks. With its powerful 350-watt motor, this pump delivers an impressive maximum pump lift of 60 feet and a flow rate of 11 gallons per minute, ensuring efficient water removal. This pump is highly compatible with numerous wet-dry vacuum models and includes 3 adapters to ensure a perfect fit with most brands. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 4 pounds, makes it easy to carry and store, which is ideal for those who need portability. A thoughtful design includes a waterproof on and off switch, a unique bone-shaped cord wrap, and an integrated strainer to protect the pump from debris, enhancing user convenience. The DEWALT DXVPA101 is perfect for tackling flooded basements, draining hot tubs, and other hard-to-reach areas, making it a valuable tool for homeowners.